welcome back to another episode of Little Great Garage. Today's episode, we're back at it with the 212cc Harbor Freight Ghost Racing engine on my first ever go-kart. Last video, we put the engine in it, new tires, painted up the frame really quick, and we're going to finish it up in today's episode. I have throttle cable for it, a fresh gas tank, because I had to borrow it for my golf cart. We need to put a chain on it. I put too much oil in it last time, so we need to drain a little bit of oil out, and then we can go rip this thing. I believe it has around 16 horsepower, and we're one-wheel drive, so I'm pretty curious how it's going to smoke some tires. But I'm going to set a time lapse. I'm going to immediately get the oil drained out of this, some fresh oil in here, and then I'm just going to start putting all this together. And I'll see you guys when the oil's out and we're starting to install our gas tank. Well guys, this is the next day. It's dark because I just ran to the store to get a master link for my chain that I'm going to be using. I also fired it up. It runs and idles great still after the oil change and all that. But let's get this chain on, motor tightened down, and then this thing should be complete. And then tomorrow when it's light out, we will go hit some trails and probably do some burnouts. So I'm going to set a time lapse, get this chain thrown on, and then we'll get back to work. Well guys, I have the go-kart chain on here. It's a brand new chain. I didn't use the old one because, you know, it was old. I got the new fuel tank on, which fits perfectly. Got our fuel lines routed. I do want to trim that a little bit so it's not at such an angle. But everything's pretty much done now. The chain needs tightened and the motor needs moved a little bit. But we're going to see if this thing's going to fire up. So I'm going to move this thing like right there. And then, since this thing fires up, we're gonna do a burnout and just go have some fun. a ripper. It is insane loss of traction. It's all over the place. These are brand new tires. That's as best as it's gonna get. And other than that, I love it. It sounds awesome, performs awesome, looks cool, looks, like an average go-kart with a few motor mods. But I think that's gonna do it for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, go check out some other stuff because I put this racing engine in my dad's golf cart. And that thing was scary. We bought an Amazon dirt bike and went and ripped that thing around doing wheelies, jumping it. Just go check out all the other videos, support the channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see me do with this and other builds. I'll see you guys next time.
Get some.